here's how to fix alarm not playing on iOS. So the first step is to go to your settings, and then we just have to scroll down until we see sounds and haptics. Simply tap on that and then turn the volume up. So as you can see, we have this volume. Now sometimes it lowers by itself, so you just have to check this every time you go to sleep to see that it's all the way up. Now another thing that we need to do is to go back to the settings and then go to Face ID and passcode. From here, we just have to scroll down until we see attention aware features and then simply disable this. Now, another thing that you need to do, so when we go to set up our alarm, we just have to select a good sound. So the one that I recommend you that helps me wake up is this one, which is called reflection. So simply tap on sound, then scroll down to reflection and then select the default one, and that's it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.